Hey parents, Mr. Henry here, a seasoned elementary music teacher and music education YouTube creator, here to check out Simply Piano, a pretty awesome app that is perfect for kids and even adults to learn the piano. Have you ever noticed your child humming their favorite songs, tapping rhythms on the table, dancing around the living room, or even coming to this music channel to engage with music activities? Well, that's their inner musician trying to come out. But here's the thing. Traditional piano lessons, they can be expensive, stressful, and let's be honest, it can be hard to find a good teacher. But of course, if you do, having an instructor is amazing. And the folks at Simply Piano, they think the same way. But what if learning piano could be as fun as playing their favorite video game? Well, this is where Simply Piano comes in, where learning music feels like an adventure. So what exactly is Simply Piano? Simply Piano is the most popular piano learning app in the world, trusted by millions of users across the globe. Whether you're a total beginner who's never touched a piano key in your life, or a returning player looking to brush up on your skills, this app is built for everyone. And it's not just popular with regular users. Simply Piano has been featured by some seriously big names. We're talking Forbes, the New York Times, The Guardian, and it's even been named an Apple Editor's Choice app and the app of the day, and was even voted the best app on Google. So yeah, it's kind of a big deal. And after going through the app myself and even having my kids play around with the Simply Piano app, I'm convinced it's pretty cool, very engaging, and the way in which the learning progresses is great. Some key features found with Simply Piano include instant feedback. The app actually listens to your playing. There are game-like lessons. You earn stars, unlock songs, and level up. It's family-friendly. Parents and kids can learn together. It works with any piano or keyboard. Whether you have a grand piano or a simple keyboard at home, Simply Piano works with both. Now here's where it gets really cool. As mentioned, Simply Piano actually listens to you play through the device's microphone. So if you can imagine, you have a phone or tablet sitting on your piano or keyboard stand, you open the app up and follow right along with playing your piano or keyboard. And as you're playing, the app gives you real-time feedback. So it's not just you passively watching and playing along. The app is actively responding to every note you hit. That means if you mess up, well, it knows. And if you nail it, it knows that too. This makes the whole learning experience feel interactive and motivating. The Simply Piano app does an amazing job with listening to exactly what you play. So as mentioned before, it does notice when you play the correct note, but it also notices when you play the notes incorrectly. And what will happen in a practice session like you see here, the note will not light up if you are not playing the correct note. So it gives you a chance to figure out what that note is, and then once it hears that you've played the correct note, then it allows you to move on to the next note. And what's even cooler is when you're doing a play along, if you're playing through it and it is calculating that you're not playing the right note, it will actually stop and have you go back to the beginning to try it again. And what's even cooler is as you're playing through, again, if you're still not getting all of the notes, it will stop and ask you, hey, would you like to slow this down? So it'll automatically slow it down for you, because if you're making too many mistakes, it's important for you to really slow it down. That's really how we practice. So what's great is the app notices that this is an issue. It'll say, hey, do you want to slow it down? It'll bring you back. It'll slow it down for you. And now you can try and get those notes correct. And as you're going through, of course, it's picking up whether or not you are playing the note right or wrong. Very, very cool feature. Almost like having a teacher right there with you. And the best part, You don't need a fancy piano setup. If you have a keyboard or a piano at home, matched up with the app, you are good to go. And here's what makes it really special. You start playing real recognizable songs almost right away, not just exercises. Actual songs you know and love. Plus, every song is available at different difficulty levels. So, as a beginner, you might play a simplified version first, and as you improve, you unlock more advanced arrangements of the same song. Simply Piano takes kids on a structured learning path designed by real music educators, which for me is massively huge. And I took a good bit of time to work through the app to see the progression and really like everything in terms of the layout and order in which a kid would learn. Let's take a look at some parts that I interacted with. And I'll tell you this, the last one was my absolute favorite and a game changer for kids learning the piano.
We'll start with these 3 notes. Find the group of 2 black keys in the middle of your piano, and place your right-hand thumb on the white key to the left. This is middle C.
Kids start by learning the layout of the piano and playing single notes. The app addresses important basic techniques throughout the lessons.
Hands hang loosely from your shoulders. If you can, adjust the height of your chair so that your elbows are slightly higher than the keyboard. Also, your fingers should be round, like this. This will help your technique later on. Maybe you've noticed these numbers here. These mark which finger to use. Number 1 is always your thumb, and 5 is your pinky.
Kids will be learning how to read sheet music. No boring theory lectures, just hands-on practice. And alongside learning how to read sheet music, they learn the theory of music by super fun videos, giving them the tools to learn any piece of music.
A filled-in circle. It marks a length of 1 beat, and this is a quarter rest. It means you don't play for 1 beat. This is how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, rest, 4. Now it's your turn to play quarter notes. Make sure you don't play during the rest.
As they progress through the app, then they are starting to play with both hands. Okay, let's talk about one of Simply Piano's biggest selling points, the song library. We're talking over 5,000 songs. Yeah, 5,000. And these aren't just boring practice scales or songs you've never heard of. We're talking about pop hits, Disney classics, movie and TV soundtracks, rock and jazz, classical pieces, holiday music, kid songs, and so much more.
Every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me. No one knows how far it goes. Well, now they know. Let it go. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of her halo, I got my angel now. It's like I've been
And they're constantly adding new songs, so the library stays fresh and relevant. Why parents love it. Kids can practice whenever it fits into your day, before school, after homework, or even on the weekends. Simply Piano takes kids on a structured learning path designed by real music educators. And the best part is that they love the songs that they are learning, from Disney favorites to Taylor Swift, from classical pieces to movie soundtracks. There are thousands of songs to choose from. Traditional piano lessons average $30 to $60 per lesson. So that's $120 to $240 per month. Simply Piano gives you an entire year of access for what you might pay for traditional lessons in just 1 month. And what's even cooler, one subscription works for the entire family. Mom, dad, siblings, everyone can have their own learning path. Parents get insight into their child's practice time, songs mastered, and skills developed. There's no guessing. You see the progress. But Simply Piano isn't just about learning piano. Research shows that music education helps kids develop. These skills translate to school, friendships, and just life in general. You're not just giving your child piano lessons, you're giving them tools for success. If you're ready to get started, it's super easy. Your child could be playing their first song in minutes, not weeks or months. Music brings families together. It creates memories, builds confidence, and unlocks creativity. With Simply Piano, you're giving your child a gift that lasts a lifetime, and you're making it fun. To get started is super easy, and Simply Piano offers a 14-day free trial, so it's definitely worth checking out. Visit the description box to get started and have fun learning and playing the piano. I'm Mr. Henry. Thanks so much for checking out the video. Make sure to subscribe for more music education fun. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.